Hello and welcome everyone. In this tutorial I want to talk about the synthesizer Karp, which is a Karplus strong synthesizer that I really like, and it usually sounds a bit like this. But in this video I want to show you how to make it sound like this. Because I feel like this beat just needs bells. How did I get this guitarish tone into a bellish tone with just 2 parameters? So let's check out this track. I used the instrument layer container in Bitwig. This is the main container, and then there are 2 other containers which I will now call secondary and third container. On the main container I started by humanizing the notes a bit, and I did that on all of the containers in different amounts, just on the timing, nothing else matters. There is velocity randomization in the plugin already anyway, which by the way I wish I could turn it off or make it less drastical. And then on the instance of Karp I use very low damping and decay, but that alone would not result in a less guitarish tone. But it does result in a sound that sounds more muffled already. Now there is the second layer, which on top of being humanized had a note transpose of +9 semitones. And yeah, also a setting like the one before with low damping. And then there's the third layer where I'm transposing an octave up +4. I guess that is the same setting even. Now you might be wondering, +4, +9, that's not very harmonic, is it? It is in fact not, and that's why I'm only dialing in these tones very low on volume. But what I actually do with that is I use it in the ring mod module in Bitwig, because you can use a sidechain input signal for it. So there is the Karp out from the second channel and the Karp out from the third channel here, going into these 2 ring mods that I dialed in a little bit with mix and a lot of gain, because when you're using a different source for ring modulation than a pure sine tone, then it's very likely that things are going very low in volume, so you have to turn it up a lot. But since this is sort of like FM synthesis, it transforms this guitarish tone into something that sounds like bells. And then I also added this little synth with delay. So now you know how you can make Karplus strong style synthesizers like Karp that sound mostly like a guitar into something that actually sounds like bells. I love how this sound sounds a little bit fragile. I think it's because there are so many different instances of Karp that sort of interact with each other in a humanized way even, that if they don't perfectly align at every note, then you just get a sort of weaker sound, and then it's a very pleasurable and natural feeling when used on a very dynamic beat like this. Alright, see you around on my next sound design video.